70 ways to improve your English speaking. 36. Give presentations in English. 37. Practice role plays. 38. Learn to think in English. 39. Focus on communication, not perfection. 40. Celebrate small successes. 41. Learn grammar rules. 42. Practice grammar exercises. 43. Study sentence structures. 44. Analyze sentence patterns. 45. Practice writing short stories. 46. Learn verb tenses. 47. Study conditional sentences. 48. Practice passive voice. 49. Learn relative clauses. 50. Study discourse markers. 51. Read English books and articles. 52. Write short stories and journal entries. 53. Practice writing summaries. 54. Learn to write essays. 55. Read English news and blogs. Do like, share the video, and subscribe my YouTube channel.